Okay, good evening, fourth grade family. This is Mr. J. I have all your kiddos here. Say hi, guys. Hi. Okay, so now we're gonna go over multiplying 3-digit numbers times 1-digit number using the distributive property of multiplication. The same thing that you did in topic 2, you're gonna be doing it in topic 3, but now with 3 digits instead. Now this lesson is teaching you how to break that number down. Remember how you break that number down, that when you add it together, it gives you the same number? Yeah. Okay, for example, if you have 12 and you want to break it down to 11 and 1, okay, when you add 11 and 1, it gives you 12 again. So it's kind of like the same thing, but this time you're going to break the bigger number down into its place value. Okay, into its place value. So, Catherine, can you please give me number 3? Then what's the problem for number 3? Is 3 times what?
3 times 78.
So 3 times 78. Which number or which factor here am I breaking down? Is it factor 3 or factor 78? Jackson. 78. You're going to break it down into its place value. And then you're going to see how easy it is then afterwards when you break it down to multiply times 3. So, right here, I'm going to break it into the place values. So what is the value of that 7 in the tens place? Who could give me the value? How much is that 7 worth in the tens place? In the tens place, Xavier? 70. Now, who could give me the value of that 8 in the ones place? Elliot? 8. Okay, so now we have 70 and 8. That's step number 1. Remember these steps? Step number 1. Now I'm going to show you step number 2. Step number 2 is, and I'm going to name this step up here. This is going to be the break apart, right? Step, break apart. You're writing this on your notebooks. The break apart step. And this one here is the multiplying. Now, I'm gonna move this up. You guys will have time to copy that in a second. So now that you have broke the 78 into its place value, now the 70 is gonna have a term with the 3. The 8 is gonna have a term with the 3. So now we're just gonna rewrite our equations. I'm going to write our equations. 70 times 3 and then 8 times 3. Okay, so now the 70 again is going to have a term with the 3. The 8 is going to have a term with the 3, and you're going to multiply it. You're going to solve these two. Okay, now, oh, look guys, I just noticed something. Look. There's a 0 here. Wow, so I'm going to put the 0 to the side. Check this out. And now, can I solve 7 times 3? Yes. Wow. What's 7 times 3? So, 7 times 3 is 21. And then what happens to that 0? All right. You're going to add it to the 21, which makes the answer 210. So 70 times 3 is 210. Okay? Now, who could tell me what 8 times 3 is? Annalicia? 24. Okay? So now, this is your second step. I'm going to give you a minute to copy. This is simple. You're just breaking it into its place value. Okay? Before, you broke it into any two random numbers that will equal to 78. Now, you're breaking it into its place value. Okay? All right, here we go. Ready for the third step and last step? What do you think is the third step? I'm going to wait. I hear a lot of side conversations. Remember, you take my time, I'll take your time later. Okay? Let's get through the lesson, and then you get rewarded for some time. But if you're going to take my time, I'll take your time. So the third step. So now that we solved our multiplication equation, our last step is to add them. Add our partial products. I want you guys to remember that term. Partial products. All right, chat? Add our partial products. So we're going to add 210 plus 24. Now, I want you guys to keep an eye on this. This is extremely important. If you look at how I aligned my numbers, okay? I aligned my numbers correctly according to their place value. So let's solve this here. 0 plus 4 is?
0 plus 4 equals 4.
1 plus 2?
3.
And then 2 plus 0?
2.
So, we have solved our problem up here. 3 times 78 equals what? 2 what?
204.
200 what?
204.
What?
204.
This is what happens when you don't align those numbers correctly, right? Ready? I'm going to teach you something.
Sure.
If you align these incorrectly, look what happens. You're going to see that you're not going to get the same result. Look. Is that the same number as this?
No.
No way, Jose. Do you guys understand how important it is to line up your numbers correctly according to their place value?
Yes.
If you don't line up your numbers according to place value, you're going to get it wrong all the time. Okay? Okay, so let's try another problem here. Let's try another problem. What's number 4? Who could give me the equation for number 4?
It's 6 times 49.
6 times 49. Okay. This is step number 1. It's going to be step number 1, break apart. Break apart, let's put the bigger factor. The bigger factor. Okay? Break apart the bigger factor. Which of these factors am I breaking? The 6 or the 49?
49.
Good. The 49 is being broken down. Now, I'm breaking the 49 into 2 parts, right? According to their place value. What's the value of that 4 in the tens place? Who could give me that? Aiden, what's the value of that 4? 40. Good job. What's the value of that 9 in the ones place, Sophia? 9. Good job. Now, that is step number 1. We just finished step number 1. I'm going to give you some time. Go ahead. Step number 1. That's step number 1. Break apart the bigger factor.
Are we having a snack today?
Hmm?
Are we having a snack today?
I don't know. We'll see. All right. Step number 2. Step number 2 is our multiplying step. So we're going to put step number 2. Multiply so multiply okay. Now we're going to take these 2 numbers, right, the 2 digits, the 2 numbers that you broke the 49 into, and every number is going to have a turn with the 6. So 40 times 6 And then 9 times 6. And we're gonna solve those. Oh, look what I see.
A 0.
A 0. All right, a 0. So I'm gonna put this 0 to the side.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna put that 0 to the side, and I'm just gonna multiply 4 times 6, which is
24.
which is
24.
I need more participants. Is
24.
Okay. Then, without the extending what do I do with the 0? Jackson.
You put 0.
You bring back the 0, right?
Bring back the 0.
Bring back the 0. Now, what is 9 times 6? 9 times 6. Can somebody tell me what 9 times 6 is? Let's see. Bailey.
54.
54.
Hey, Jinx, you want me to...
All right, that's not step number 2. Then step number 3. Step number 3. I'm gonna put it up here. Here we go. Step number 3 is add my partial products. Okay? These are considered partial products. 240 and 54 are partial products, right? Because they're part of my full answer. Okay? They're part of my full answer. So, 240 plus 54. Again, aligning my numbers correctly according to their place value. So, Catherine, what is the answer here? This is 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Your answer to that multiplication equation is 294. 294. Okay? Now, we're going to do it with 3 digits times 1 digit. Okay? Here we go. You still copying?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not. I'm finished.
Jeez. All right, go ahead. All right, I'll give you a second. Go ahead. I'll give you a couple of seconds.
I'm done.
Go ahead, Autumn. What were you writing?
What are the supposed to be that? I'm done.
Keep it there. 7 times what? 3.
7 times 342.
52?
42.
Okay, so again, we're going to break this number into 3 parts now. Not 2, 3. Aiden, you see that the 3 is in the what? It's the hundreds place, so what's the value? 300. Catherine, what's the value of that 4 in the tens place? 40. And Orion, what's the value of that 2 in the ones place?
2.
We have 342. Step number 2, again, every number you see here is going to take a turn with the 7 now. 300 times 7. Then we have 40 times 7. And then we have 2 times 7. And we're just going to solve these. Oh!
The 0!
And then we're going to put these to the side. Okay? What is 3 times 7? 21. And then what am I doing with those zeros? I'm bringing them back.
You forgot the 0 and the 40. 21?
Yep, you're right. You're right. All right. So I'm going to put the 0 here. Okay, now, there's another 0 there. I'm just going to use my little 0 technique here and put it to the side. My my zero technique to the side. Now 4 times 7 is what? 4 times 7.
28.
Well, yes.
Oh, well.
28. Now, what am I doing with that 0, Noel? Noel, what I'm doing with that 0? I'm bringing it back. Okay? How about 2 times 7? You don't know what 2 times 7 is. If they don't know what 2 times 7 is,
I know.
let's go. One, I can count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Did I hear 40?
No.
14. Okay.
40.
All right. All right, here we go. Last step. Last step is to add my partial products. So now I'm going to add them. And 14. Now, if you look, again, guys, I am putting those numbers in the right places. I'm not putting it anywhere else. So what would be the answer to this, guys? Who could give me the answer to this? So your answer up here.
239.4. Is it in the thousands place?
2,394. All right, guys. So that's pretty much our distributed property using the place values, breaking let me redo that. Ready? Okay, my 4th grade family, that is it. That is multiplying 3 digits times 1 digit, but then breaking it apart into its place values, all right? So that's step number 1, number 2, and number 3. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.